Assalamu alaikum. Now we are going to learn multiplication and division of decimal. So here you can see the number, the first question 64.23 into 10. Any decimal form is there, no need of sitting and doing the multiplication there. You know into 10 means 1 0 comes there. What happens here actually means if 1 0 means the decimal place will move from one place from here to the other side. Here you can see the answer there 64.23 into 10. The decimal place from here it moves to the right side one place. Okay. So that 10 if it is 1 0. If it is 2 0 means two places to the right side. Here you can see there are 4 zeros, the second one. Okay. So what happens? The decimal point, it moves 4 places ahead from the decimal point. Easy way this is. So 1 0, 1 place, 2 0, 2 and 3. Now one more is not there, what to do? So we have to add a 0 for that. Down here you can see I have added 1 0. So 4 places are done here. So I have removed the decimal. This is the one way if it is the decimal fraction. If it is 10, 100, 1000 we can do directly. But if there are the numbers here, you can see these are the numbers with the decimals here. What to do? How to do the multiplication? The multiplication has to be done in a proper order only. We will follow the same steps. Just keep the decimal in the question only. We are not taking decimal. At the last we will see the decimal place. The following is the same step of multiplication. Right, here 4 digits means multiply 4 first, then by 1, then by 1 again, by 2, then do the addition of this. At last, now what we have to do is, we have to check the decimal places now. In the first number, after how many digits the decimal is there? 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, the decimal is there. In the second number, after 2 digits, the decimal is there. Total, how many digits are there? 5 digits. So, in the answer, we have to give the decimal place after 5 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to place a decimal here. You can see the answer here. Right, this is the way. If there is no decimal place in one number and in the other number it is there, means in one number how many places? For example, here there was no decimal place. Okay, only in the first number decimal place was there. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So in the answer only after 3 digits you have to place a decimal. Clear? Here you can see the division of the of decimals. So what happens in the multiplication? In the multiplication we change the decimal point from this side to the right side. Okay. But in the division, once it is 10th place, that is if decimal fractions are there, just place the decimal from this side to this side. Okay. Multiplication towards right, then division towards left. Okay. How many digits are there? So many you have to see. Now for example, here you can see 5.9 divided by 1000. So how many digits how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. No need of division. Division of 1 will be the same number, right? So number will not change. So 5.9 will be as it is there. Now after 3 zeros towards left means this side we have to take. Now only I have 5. Where are the 2 more numbers? No numbers. So what I do? I'll place 2 zeros towards the left here. You can see here after 5, that is 3 zeros are there. So 3 places should be there. So 5, 0 and 0. 9 is already there. So 9 you will not count. Okay. That was already after decimal. So we have to take from this side. Are you getting? So from here it changes towards the left for division. For multiplication it goes towards the right side. Clear? This is if decimal fractions are there like 100, 10, 1000, direct multiplication and division can be done. But if the other numbers are there, the other numbers you can see here 282.04 divided by 11. So do the proper division here. Okay. So when doing the division, where we are taking the decimal point, here you have to keep the decimal point. See here 11 2s are 22. Okay. Then 6 remains here 62. So 11 5s are 55. So this 7 is remaining. Now I am taking this number. Before taking this, the next number of the decimal, we should give this decimal in the quotient. Okay. Before taking the next number, this decimal point has to be given in the quotient. Then take the 0 and follow the same step. Like this, the decimal point comes in the division format. What is the answer here? 282.04 divided by 11, you get 25.64. Okay. Now you have to do this homework in your classwork. As I said you before, in the classwork you have to make 2 halves. The second half will be the homework part. There you have to solve and keep. Now this first 4 problems, that is convert the following fraction into decimal. Then here the second, convert the following decimal fraction by converting into denominator. Okay, this you have to divide and you have to give the answer. So now here you have to solve, add the following, these 3, then subtraction these 2, and simplification these 3 problems you have to solve. Okay. In multiplication you have to solve 1 to 4 these 4 problems, and division you have to solve these 2 problems. Thank you.